Today we're going to take a look at how to repair fiberglass body panels. The fiberglass right here is about an 1/8 inch thick, so I think the best plan would be to grind or prepare the backside and fill it a bit with some fiberglass reinforced filler. Once we get it set into place and it's nice and firm, we can work on the front. After letting that firm up, it's very sturdy now. We can start working on the outside. We'll prepare the surface with a 24 grit fiber resin disc on a 5-inch sander. We just want to grind this crack down a little bit, V it out so that we have room for the fiberglass cloth. Here's a closer shot of that. This type of cloth has a little bit of trouble on 90-degree bends, so we're going to make a flat piece for right here, about 3 or 4 layers, and then a piece that bends around like that. Something like that. It's 6 drops of the NEIKO or hardener to 1 tablespoon of the resin. So we're going to add 12 drops because we have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Because we have 2 tablespoons of resin. We'll mix that up. That should do. We're just going to spread some on there first. And lay our patch. And you can manipulate it or move it around a little bit with the brush. It's not exactly a 90-degree angle, so it bends around there pretty nicely. So we're going to go just like that. We'll let that harden up overnight, and I'll be back. At this point, we can grind, block sand it, fill, and prime. Using a cheese grater blade, we can take off some excess. And I'm really just taking off the ridges. And that's good for the top. Now we'll finish with some 80 grit. After 3 coats of primer surfacer, this area is ready to be block sanded, primed again, finish sanded, and painted. I hope you enjoyed this video on fiberglass repair. If you did, and you'd like to get my latest videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.